Any mention? Item number 1.
AAR was supposed to file the detailed reports, my lord, on leader survey.
Yes. This is the report.
But this is a part of report, my lord.
What report meaning?
Well, because otherwise the remaining are data, my lord, which I think is quite
What the relevant aspects have all come here,
my lord.
So
I've not been served with a report, my lord.
where's the operative part of the report?
My lord, this report doesn't say much, my lord.
There's no synopsis of what it says, and which are the highlights which we have to look at. Picture, approach, which part is needed for acquisition or requisition. Anything you want to flag from here? If you want, Dr. Mozika, I can take a report back and just flag the,
My lord, only one area of concern that it appears to me, my lord, the officer of Airport Authority, who is also not in a position to, because he is from law branch, my lord.
He's from?
Law branch of Airport Authority, Guwahati office, my lord. Now, my lord, if lordship kindly turns, his pagination may be little.
There's no pagination here. No, the page don't be opening. What is pagination? Yes, sorry.
It is not continuous pagination, my lord.
What do you want to say?
But I wanted to, because this, towards the end, my lord, is not paginated serially.
Yeah, what do you want to submit?
But a chart is given, now it again says, my lord, that how much earth work will be required, my lord. That is around roughly 10 to 15 pages towards the end, my lord.
Should have flagged it at least if that's important.
My lord, there are two maps like this towards the end.
We'll listen again.
I just want to
Take down report has been.
I'll flag it now.
Yes.
My lord.
Huh?
Lordship.
Now only.
No.
Why you are in a hurry to go somewhere?
Because something will be required, my lord, in this. Some consideration from your lordship.
You give a copy to
No.
the amicus.
No, my lord. My lord, I have not been.
May please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
If a copy of the report may be supplied to our Lordship, we can.
I think instead of filing a physical part, you can give a soft copy to them also, the report.
My state already has, my lord.
Soft copy.
Lordship,
State has, in fact, the
Lordship,
complete
last
report.
year
my lord.
also we didn't receive the report. Lordship.
They can find out from there, my lord, their office. It has been given to them, the entire set.
Lordship, if the report is filed into court, the same may be supplied to us, Lordship, so that we'll be on the same page.
Of course. Everyone who's in the picture will get a copy of the report. Why? You wouldn't.
My lords, the last report also we didn't receive a copy, Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
We didn't receive the copy of the last report also, Lordship.
What last report? You didn't give the copy of that
Lordship,
report.
No, Lordship, I just taken a picture of the learner
Where's the Advocate General?
Here's a report.
Well, that
Lordship
means-
is on legs before. Is on legs before the learned, before the honorable apex court, Lordship.
what item number in Apex Code? You can find it here. Yes. What is this?
Lordship, that I,
The Lordship says overall rough cost estimates.
Yes. Rotated 5 degree clockwise. Yes, what do you want to say?
So, my lord, so I still require confirmation from them because the earlier correspondence that was given to the Chief Secretary, which says that only 22 acres of land is required to be acquired and disposal of 10,000 cubic. The last order will reflect, my lord. But this chart, my lord, it shows some whopping amount of earth cutting, my lord.
No, it says that the existing cuttings marked in red color. That means the cuttings have been done earlier on. If
Madam.
we are not mistaken.
But the page before that, the table I was trying to point out.
Page for this picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
It says, my lord, 8.6 overall rough cost estimates. Then it talks about cutting quantity, filling quantity. And the cost is again coming into some few hundred or few thousand crore rupees, my lord.
Where is it? The filling cost, extension railway, 25 crores, 6 lakhs. And 22 extension railway, 90 crores.
Lots of sees the total amount in the cutting cost, my lord, in the column.
What is this amount of 47885?
Cutting cost. And then the
Cutting
second
cost is going to be for the extension of Suno is going to be 1,165 crores.
So, my lord, that is even I'm not in a position to explain.
One second.
My lord,
No, 1 second. This is strange. Cutting rate 130 rupees per cubic meter. Then you're going to cut 12,007 12 versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need an engineer to interpret this.
now what I was praying, my lord, if my lord fixes the matter after around 10 days or 15 days, my lord, let the officers from airport authority,
Let him appear in person.
let them appear and explain, because again, if we come back to the same thing, my lord, that the hills have to be chopped off and the cost is something like this, then there's no point, my lord.
No, what
Back to square one.
see the thing is that if it can be worked out within the existing, within the existing, suppose our cutting of hills, whether it's possible or not. That is one thing they should have looked at it, whether without cutting the hills, whether you can land, maybe special requirements be there, but whether these planes can land. But that was the object of the entire inspection.
My lord, and that was the impression that was given by that letter also. The earlier letter I placed on the last occasion, my lord.
But they said that only 22 kilometers and 22 square acres.
some land is
Acres of land,
Yeah.
22 acres of land and disposal of 10,000.
Like 10,000 or 1 million.
So, my lord, if the lordship kindly fixes them, then the officials can come and have a meeting with the state government also, and they can.
Yes, Mr. Acting General.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. That what I see from the argument of Leonard, my lord, that now the problem is that we have to know the amount which will be required for expansion of the airport, and thereafter only your lordship may issue direction to state or to the airport authority of India
Yes.
or DGC.
If it's not feasible, it comes back to square one, as as Dr. Mozika says that you go to 3,000 crores. I think there's no point.
Well,
Yes.
We were thinking that it's only a matter of acquisition, but we're going to cut so much earth.
now,
Come the same
now, I'm not in a position to say, my lord, whether that final letter that has been written by the chairman of the airports authority, that is taken into consideration all this, and they've found out a new way, or this is still there.
Okay, we'll do one thing as suggested. We'll fix it after 10 days. After 1 week,
After 1 week.
we'll have it on the 23rd. let the officials come and then let them clarify for the court as to whether this report they've given and this cost estimate, whether this is a necessary component. Because the other report very misleading. They said
This will
that
give at least a clear picture, a broad picture, that how much state has to spend and how much they'll spend.
24th.
24.
Yes, a copy of the topography and capital OLS survey by Aerial, AERIL, LIDAR, L small I, capital DAR, of Shillong Airport has been submitted before the court today. Dr. N. Mozika Nekberga, however, submits that certain technical aspects, especially with regard to the earth cutting required and the cost estimates thereof, amongst other, needs clarification, which where the officials from the airport authorities, technical persons will be needed to apprise the court on this aspect. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. A. Kumar Leonard, Advocate General, also concurs to review, as also Mr. P.O. Bin, the learned amicus. Stop. Accordingly, this is matter on 24/9/2024 for further orders. From which official you want to come? Concerned officials necessary
They'll send
to apprise the court should be present in court. Should be present in court. They stop. A copy of this report also to be made over to the amicus and to the Advocate General.
Advocate General, they have copy of it.
I don't, my lord, if
You get a
soft
copy,
copy,
let us accordingly. Yeah. Yeah.
grateful.
Sit immediately.
Any mention?
Which air freshener is Yes, yes.
I'd like to mention item number 28, Lordship.
20
28. On behalf of
Public
Mr.
matter.
Shulai.
on behalf of
Mr. Shulai.
who's for the petitioner?
Mr. S. Marpan.
He's not here. You informed him.
I'll inform him, Lordship.
When?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
You informed him 2 weeks, yes.
I'll oblige.
May it please, my lords. I'd like to mention item number 30. I'm taking a week's time, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this case, I have filed my application for impleading me or interpreting this.
30?
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's just been filed.
I filed, but it was returned. I'll be filing tomorrow, Your Lordship.
You have filed, huh?
But it was returned for some necessary correction, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Oh, this is with regards to land compensation now.
Okay, you let's after 1 week, whatever you file, yes. After 1 week, yes. Yes. Hello.
Ali Obaj.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 24, 25, and 26, my lord. The conducting counsel has some personal difficulty, my lord. Kindly the matter may be adjourned for the day, my lord.
After 2 weeks, yes, 26. Yes, on the prayer of the counsel for the petitioner. Yes. No objection? MS Guru? Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 33.
33.
I pray for 2 weeks' time, my Lord.
What's the matter about?
Is a termination of service.
Termination? Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 19 of the hearing list.
19.
19, Your Lordship.
Oh, 19, why? Today, I think it's fixed specially today.
Your Lordship.
Actually, Your Lordship, the conducting counsel, he came in the morning, but he left at 1:30 because he is not feeling well. Your Lordship.
Not feeling well.
Yes.
So when will he be fit?
He said after Puja holiday, Your Lordship.
After Puja holidays?
Your Lordship, after a week, let me come after a week.
No, you also been taking time. So you should all be relaxed after Puja holidays, okay?
Ali Obaj.
Yeah.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item 20 and 21.
Why? 2021 is on the verge of getting over, right?
My Lord. So I'm praying, we have seen the report. We're praying for.
Where's Mr. Changrito? He didn't come to court today,
he came, Your Lordship.
but he's gone home.
And yeah.
The court comes all the way running just so that not the lawyers get the case taken up. But anyway, after 1 week, yes.
Ali Obaj. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 23.
You're with Mr. Jha.
Lordship, he is out of station for his wife checkup. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
You get 2 weeks time, yes.
No.
Well, I'm making a joint plea for adjournment of item number 29. 29.
And for the private response, 8 to 12 minutes.
And for the NDCL.
How long?
I have it after 2 weeks more, 1 week more.
1 week, okay.
Item 31, my lord, similar prayer for item 31.
Where's MS? As far as you're there,
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, okay.
All right.
Where's the ready? Yes. Okay.
Item number 1.
My lord, I have filed my additional affidavit, my lord, on the 11th.
Hello, Mr. Devnath.
But I'm appealing, my lord. We have filed affidavit, my lord, for 1 and 2.
No, you see the last order? He says that he wanted to file additional affidavit on behalf of 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
No, I have not given Mr. paper yet because I didn't meet him. That is my affidavit.
You see the last order?
They have not served a copy of.
No, you have to.
No, your last order,
Wait for time.
where you prayed,
Yeah,
Mr. Devnath prayed for, to file some other points have come to light for which he didn't instruct you.
There's some communication. But I'm paying for.
What if you said additional affidavit?
My lord, what happened here is that the union has filed their counter affidavit the first, and thereafter, my lord, a person to the affidavit lordship is directed what steps have been taken by the state.
Yes.
So to that extent, my lord, we have filed an affidavit on 11th, on 16/7, my lord, 16 July 2020 for the first affidavit to the Water Resource Department that we have already made the utilization calculation, and which has been forwarded to the union also. And they have not acted upon us, which copy has been served to them. Then subsequently, my lord, when the matter came up for one of the occasion admission hearing, there is a paragraph in the affidavit of the union at page 7 of the affidavit, where they have stated that a certain amount of money has been released to the state through the PHE department. So, my lord, the question here is that the entire issue is regarding irrigation water supply which have been damaged. So we're taking instruction of the PHE department, and we are not denying that a certain amount has been given to PHE department, and that is for the drinking water supply, my lord, and that affidavit has been filed on the 11th of September. So that money doesn't amount to the entire issue.
Not regard to the destruction caused by widening.
My lord, yes. So this is a different sanction which they have given regarding the.
Give him a copy.
My lord.
Give Dr. Muzga a copy. Yes, an additional affidavit has been filed by the state respondents.
11/9. This was filed on 11/9.
Wherein it has been stated that the amounts received from the respondents number 1 and 2 is only with regard to the water supply and not to do with any amount to be paid that was to be paid to the petitioners for widening.
No, my lord, this is for the entire project, my lord. During the widening project.
Destruction of the water pipeline or
Yes,
petitioner.
my lord, the issue is when the widening project was executed, so a certain amount of damages were incurred by the NHIDCL. Drinking water supply.
Have you received copy of this affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
What do you have
from the affidavit, additional affidavit filed by the state government, their stand is very clear, my lord. They have received it only the part of the amount which is meant for drinking water supply.
That's what we're saying.
My lord, yes.
Whereas the amounts meant for the destructions of the water pipeline or the petitioner has not been received by them. That is a standard.
With water, drinking water.
Drinking water.
And does not relate to the damage sustained by the petitioner. Or a compensation claimed. The same is noted. Like Dr. Mozika, please allow some more time. And it's just step to why before with the demand was appearing, why they change counsel?
They handed over the file recently, my lord. They handed over the file very recently. My lord, but one thing, my lord, what they have stated, that an amount of about 78 crore rupees was paid to the state government for shifting of utility. Now, whether this includes or it doesn't include?
No, my lord. Our first affidavit will be
they know, fine, they say no. Anyway, you clarify.
Well,
Dr. Muzika submits that as taken over the brief. He will allow some more time to file the additional affidavit on behalf of the respondent 1 and 2. Prayers allowed just after 3 weeks. You want to file rejoinder? No, not yet.
Duly obliged.
Item number 2.
Yes, Mr. D.
My lord, if my lord may kindly produce the page 11, my lord, of the contempt petition.
Page
11, my lord. 11, 111. Page 11, para 2, my lord.
Yes.
Mr. Day, learned counsel for the respondent number 1 to 5 submit that the said demarcation will be completed within 45 days from the date of this order. Demarcation is completed, my lord. They have participated. Both the parties have participated, my lord.
Oh, yeah.
Now, my lord.
Completed,
Yeah.
my lord.
Then,
They have not yet passed an order, my lord.
now, my lord, on 10th, the matter was fixed for on 10th, my lord, 10th of September for passing the order, my lord. But there was a strike in the district council, my lord. So we could not pass an order, my lord.
There was what?
There was a strike, my lord.
There was a strike.
Yes, my lord.
It's been done, demarcation.
Yes, demarcation is.
How do you say it's been done? We can't go and saying yes, no. He says been done.
Demarcation has been done, my lord, and there.
Mr. SD submitted demarcation has been done, and the order was to be passed on 9/10/2024. But due to the strikes, the council, the same could not happen. Accordingly, this is matter up to 2 weeks. Yes.
Item number 3.
Yes. You're not filed.
Not yet, ma'am.
This Mr. Kibi Prasaji has a habit of sitting on affidavits.
Not yet. 2 weeks time, last time.
I've got a good mind to ask application to do an audit regarding, we will do it from here also, from the audit sheets. How many times in every case, before the case is put up, the cumulative days that's taken to file affidavits. Otherwise, where's the efficiency? They're all young counsels, yes. Prayer has been made again today on behalf of the response 1 to 5 for filing the affidavit. Though notice has been served on 6, 7, 8, none has appeared on behalf. This matter after. Is there any urgency? No. After the appearance of it is hoped the next year the affidavit state should be on board. Yes.
Item number 4.
Lordship, the respondent has filed a counter affidavit. I will require 3 weeks time to file my rejoinder, Lordship.
Who was who filed rejoinder?
Lordship, there's a mistake in the.
There's a mistake in the order.
Lordship.
Yes, the mistakes were detected in the order dated 38/2024, where instead of recording the time allowed to the petitioner to file rejoinder, it was recorded as a CGC to file rejoinder affidavit. The same shall stand corrected. Next paragraph, Mr. Emanumber please call that out. Further,
3 weeks time, Lordship.
6 time to file rejoinder. This thereafter. Like a 2 people, CGC. Rejoinder.
Item number 5.
CG filed affidavit, let's do it for rejoinder. Let's do it CGC will file rejoinder.
May it please, Your Lordship. Let the matter be, fixed after 3 weeks, Your Lordship, for filing the rejoinder.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 2 to 5.
You file your affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Rejoinder to whom?
Against the Oriental Insurance.
To the?
Oriental Insurance Companies.
The Oriental Insurance?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Walang, please funds allowed. How much time? 2 weeks time for rejoinder.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
With your permission.
No, 2 weeks enough, Mr. Walang.
It will be possible, Your Lordship. It will take some
Why
time.
not be possible? Why? Why not be possible? 2 weeks, yes.
Yeah.
For rejoinder.
Yes.
After file by 2 to 5 years.
I will oblige.
Item number 6.
Lordship,
Yes.
I pray this matter may be listed after a week.
For?
I pray this matter may be listed after a week, Your Lordship.
For? What is it?
My lord, they were supposed to file an affidavit because here,
Regarding?
Your Lordship, should recollect. I have placed the order passed by the Honorable Court with regards to alternative remedy. Your Lordship, can you have order dated 22/8/2024?
Yes. Have you? What judgment was this? You have to examine?
My lord, that's WPC number 132 of 2024. Jossingwell Palyar versus Save of Nobu Sapa. It was in every place to record the order.
Yes. Yeah. You heard See the order is 22/8/24. You know what's in the order? You don't know what's in the order.
No, I'm not sure.
You read the order sheet before you appear. You read the order sheet. What's it for? What is your name?
Miss E. Nongbet.
Miss A. Nongbet submitted. There's no instruction with regard to the matter. List after 1 week. Yes.
Item number 7.
Name.
Lordship, I have filed my affidavit. Correspondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Lordship will be filing a rejoinder.
In fact, rejoinder? How long? 2 weeks for rejoinder. As
2 weeks.
allowed.
Lordship.
Item number 8. Lordship, 8 to 16 are connected matters. The conducting counsel, Mr. J. Thaba, had some personal emergency.
Mr.
J. Thaba.
If you file affidavit here,
I have no instructions.
why? Where's the, you seen the order? Who's responsible for the appeal person with the request for hearing?
Your Honor, kindly listen tomorrow.
Yes, my order dated 29/8/2024. It was directed that a further 2 weeks time was granted to file affidavit, feeling which respondent number 5 would have to appear in person request for hearing. This is matter after, now it's the
Today is the 16th, my lord.
16th. This is the matter on 25 September, so and so. Respondent number 5 is respondent number 5. This is a judicial order.
Video of Chelsea, your lordship.
MS
Last chance me
judicial
giving
order.
your
Number
lordship.
5 is the this is a matter on 25th 9 so and so. It is directed the block the run officer bracket BDO and program officer
Lordship,
bracket MGNREGS close bracket Celcella Scene RB block.
Lordship, kindly list the matter tomorrow.
Shall appear in person before this court on 25th with the
Lordship.
necessary records. You get the name.
Lordship.
That is accordingly. Sorry, it's a judicial order.
Much
If you
obliged.
have no regard, that means you're in contempt. Remember that.
17. Lordship, the conducting counsel is
Doesn't matter. Then he's in contempt. It's not fit them to be like government counsels.
For the respondent. Here, my lord, the petitioner has approached this honorable court, my lord, for early disposal of his petition.
Where's the petitioner?
I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner, lordship.
Where's that? This is item number 14.
Yes,
no,
my lord. This matter can be,
This item number?
can be disposed of, my lord.
You're there at 17. Who's that boy? Where is he? Yes.
For item number 17, lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this matter can be disposed of, my lord. Because of the pendency of this matter, my lord, we are not in a position to pass the final judgment, my lord. The judgment is ready, my lord. On 12th, the matter was listed, but my lord, we want to curb leave of this honorable court, my lord, to pass the final order, my lord.
What's the matter about?
This is a Nokmaship matter, my lord. Nokma, my lord, Nokmaship. This is joint Nokmaship, my lord. So the petitioner is before the district council court, my lord, and matter is pending before the EM, my lord. Now the final order was supposed to be passed on 12th, my lord. But
So why you not passing the order? Pass the order, notwithstanding the pendency of the petition.
No, my lord.
Doesn't matter.
We want to give of this honorable court, my lord. Otherwise, they
Yes,
will-
yes. Mr. FD submits that due to the pendency of the incident matter before this court, the district council respondents have not passed the order, though the matter has been heard.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
The entire matter can be disposed of, my lord. The matter, the moment we pass an order, my lord, the matter become infructuous, my lord.
No, it doesn't matter. You pass it, then by next week, it is made clear pendency of period petition is not a bar to the respondents to pass final orders in the matter. Just after 1 week, yes.
Highly obliged,
Much obliged, lordship.
Pass it, then you'll be infructuous.
my lord, my lord.
18.
File the affidavit.
What is it about?
This is that
Tender matter,
tender for X-ray machine, my lord. For negrims.
extra machine in
Which X-ray machine?
Negrims.
Negrims.
Well, we have received the copy of the affidavit, my lord. We'll need to file a short rejoinder, my lord, to that.
What if the patients are suffering? Is there any stay order?
There's no stay order.
There's no stay order.
Okay, MS Ardata please for allowed 2 weeks time to file short rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondents.
My lord, on respondent number 4 and 5, my lord, notice has been served, my lord. We'll file an affidavit.
Number 4 and 5, so she further submits that, oh yes, the respondent 4 and 5 since been served. She please was allowed to file a service affidavit before the next date.
My lord.
Yes.
Hearing, item 22.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, this is the second round of litigation. The first writ petition was considered by this honorable court, and in that writ petition, Your Lordship was pleased to direct the respondent to consider the representation of the petitioner for compassionate appointment on sympathetically. Your Lordship, thereafter the departmental screening committee was constituted and my name was recommended. And Your Lordship, despite that recommendation was not considered and it has been rejected arbitrarily. My Lord, this impugning order, Your Lordship, is in page 46 of my writ petition. It was rejected on the ground that, Your Lordship, there is one earning member in the family and I am the widow is getting enhanced pension till 24 this February. And Your Lordship, in the affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship, page number 36, Your Lordship, that has been answered, Your Lordship, regarding the earning family member. In
the first affidavit, second affidavit?
Your Lordship, first affidavit. April 2023. It is in page number 37, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Paragraph number 8.
Yes.
As per the welfare officer's report, the eldest son, Sri Deepak Kumar Joshi, after marriage has left the family and has no connection with the family. The welfare officer report also states that the other son, that is Sri Kishan Joshi, is employed as a field assistant in the Special Bureau, Government of India, but does not support the family financially. The report further states that the mother of late Kedar Nath Joshi is also a dependent. The committee was informed that the Office of Principal Accountant General Audit Meghalaya Shillong wrote to the Office of Commissioner Special Bureau Shillong vide letter number such and such, dated such and such, to ascertain the list of the dependent of the concerned son, that is Kishan Joshi. The Office of Commissioner Special Bureau Shillong intimated by letter dated such and such, dated that as per the
report dated when we've been through this report before. I think this is 18.
Yes, Your Lordship.
17, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. So after that, then we said who is the competent authority to consider it, correct?
Yes, Your
Then they came, they said that officer is the competent authority
Yes, Your Lordship.
who rejected the proposal, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, the secretary here, Lordship. The secretary.
Why is rejected? Where he rejected? Where was that letter? Rejecting it?
The primary reason here for rejection is that there is an earning member in the family.
No, but not only that, screening committee has found otherwise.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That is the only thing. That's why we. Yes.
That's what. After the screening committee had considered this the appointment on compassionate appointment, you have sent, Lordship. You have sent to the higher authority. Then the higher authority was pleased to reject their grievances, Lordship, being that there is a earning member in the family. Number one is that. Not only that, Lordship, if you see at the report of the committee, it's clearly mentioned here that, can we come to this, my affidavit, Your Lordship, at section 37?
Yeah, 37. Okay. Yes, we are there only.
It's para number 7, Your Lordship.
The committee is as per source book, the family members as follows, right?
Yes, this
So it's four family members,
Four
right?
family members. This Deepak Joshi also, Lordship, he is one of the son. He also deserted the family and left. Now, after the second son also left, the fourth son also left, they're leaving it to the office that we are answerable, Lordship, for their commissioned appointment.
See, as per welfare officer, for eldest son Deepak Kumar Joshi, after marriage, left with family, has no connection with family. Okay. The welfare officer's report is the son, the other son, that's Kishan Joshi, and he does not support the family. The report further stated the mother of Sri Kedana Joshi is also dependent. So what we're going to do, if this is your screening report only,
yes,
it's not a question of that they have made the submission. They have found this out. So then, where is the order of rejection?
Order of rejection. You see, they have filed another additional affidavit on May 24.
May
24.
Page 4, Lordship.
They have filed 3 affidavits.
Yes, Lordship. The third affidavit.
Yes, Lordship, here the mother of the petitioner, she's getting a monthly pension of 20,000 plus.
The last affidavit, page 4.
Yeah, this is the impugned order, Lordship, 2018. After the screening committee had already sent the report to the higher authority.
So this already impugned the petition, you mean?
Yes, Lordship.
You annexed it again?
Yes. Same, the context is same, everything is same, only communicating officer is different. And here there is no ground, Your Lordship, why this competent authority was not satisfied with the screening committee.
Exactly, that's why you say
whatever is done, Lordship, is as per the
no, not done, but then there's no reason because the final screening committee says there's no other earning member.
Yes.
That fact about the wife getting pension does not look at all. Right? Nothing. Only that the refusal to the petitioner, that's it. Simple as that. Lakshmi Joshi is the one asking for compassionate appointment.
Lakshmi, yes, yes, Lordship.
And she is married also now, Lordship.
Now she is married, but that time she was not married, and that Your Lordship, as per
she is married now, how do they change things?
Your Lordship, as per the scheme, there is no.
But it's silent, Your Lordship. The scheme is silent. Whether it's married or not married, the scheme is silent.
Your Lordship, it is there here in the scheme. They had enclosed the definition of dependent family member.
No, but the thing is that now it's because it's like 6 years down the road. That is why.
It's only 10 years, Your Lordship, that the
10 years, last 10 years, I am running from pillar to post, Your Lordship. First writ petition was considered, Your Lordship, 2017, and thereafter they did not consider. I was asked to appear before the screening committee several times, and I did well, Your Lordship, and that's why they recommended my name.
But that time the vacancy also was not there, Your Lordship.
Because compassion ground, it's meant to
immediate
to give some sustenance or in emergent situations.
Yes, sir.
We'll avoid starvation.
Yes, sir.
So it's only 10 years now.
You know how the scheme works. The more the years doesn't mean, suppose you're number 10 in the list 2017. Okay.
Yes.
Now, logically thinking, you'll say that next year, with the vacancy in post, your number should go to number 5, number 6, right?
Yes.
Doesn't work that in compassion ground. Compassion ground, the longer you are, the lower you go in the list. But
Yes.
that means your necessity is not there. The other people who have graver financial difficulties, they go up
They
the
will come.
list.
They will be in first
But
list.
that's how
Yes,
it works. So the thing is that now in 2018, you recommend not given how are you sustaining yourself. Now you must consider now whether they'll have a post for you because they'll have to jump.
There's no vacancy at present, Your Lordship.
They have to jump many people to give you their appointment. Because compassion ground is not a norm for appointment we can ask for arrears. It's a special form appointment to help people who are in
Dire need.
Yes, that's the thing.
Your Lordship, this is not my fault. Because of them, this delay has
There's no
occurred.
problem, but the thing is that, yes, by a flux of time.
And Your Lordship, since last 10 years, I'm running, Your Lordship, for this.
But they're getting also a hefty amount of
And then
20,000
they
plus,
recommend
Your
that-
Lordship.
You give a reason order then. That's the thing. There's no reason. Mr. Kamhan is only that trouble of court because it's like summary this rejection. Like, don't talk about the screening committee report also, the competent authority is not talked. So the most we can ask for reconsideration.
For reconsideration?
That's all. Because it doesn't talk, I mean, the order is very cryptic. Just says that in the case of the family is entitled to receive family pension at enhanced rate. There are no liabilities of the family. There's an earning member of the family. No comparison between brought relax the non when it's earning member. That's all.
And the wife, the mother is only the dependent here, Your
The
Lordship.
finding was that
this is contrary to the
finding of screening committee was that, and this is like it's it goes to screening committee report.
But it also says only in deserving cases, Your Lordship.
See, if screening committee is found to deserve, then what do you have screening committee for in place? To work out whether there's any, to see whether there's any financial difficulty they're facing. That's all. We'll dispose of them. Yes, heard Mr. S. Pandit, the counsel petitioner, and Mr. K. Kanoplan, counsel the respondents. Up. The facts in brief are that the writ petitioner's father had died in harness on 11/2/2014, upon which the petitioner applied for her appointment on compassionate ground in terms of the scheme capital S for compassionate capital C, compassionate appointment capital A of the government of India. Stop. The respondent number 3 then directed the writ petitioner to appear before the screening committee, and initially application stood rejected. Stop. The writ petitioner then approached this court by way of WPC number 405/2016, which was disposed of by order dated 36/17, directing the respondents to examine her case and consider the same sympathetically within 1 month. Stop. It appears thereafter, the next paragraph appears thereafter, the writ petitioner had appeared before the screening committee. Where is that in the writ petition? Where is that the next writ petition? Quick.
On 28, 2014, Your Lordship.
No. That's the first round. Where's screening committee? 17. Where's that just now? Where do you show it? It's not there. It's not there. Writ petition.
No, Your Lordship. Thereafter, there is nothing that she appeared. Thereafter, they.
Yes. Yes, as pursuant to which was the proceedings of which are annexed as Annexure 6 to the first affidavit filed by the respondents. Stop. In a set screening at para 8, at para 7 and 8, the screening committee came to the following findings. Stop. A perusal of same therefore would reveal that would reveal that the petitioner, writ petitioner, at that point of time was found to be eligible and entitled for grant of compassionate ground appointment. Stop. However, the respondents then, by whether order, the last affidavit. This is the order, right?
Yes, Lordship. 16,
Page number
8/1/2018.
yes, Lordship.
28 March 2018.
8/1/2018.
8/1, which one, Mr. Pandit?
28 March 2018, annexure 9, Your Lordship, of the writ petition.
What about 8/1/2018?
This is, they have filed the same thing. Communicating officer is different.
Where is that page? Annexure?
Annexure 940, page number 46.
No. Stop. However, the respondents then informed the writ petitioner via a letter dated 28/3/2018 about the rejection of the appointment of the petitioner. Stop. In the course of the proceedings, as the letter dated 28/3/2018 was not the order issued by competent authority, but in fact was just a communication thereof, a communication of an order thereof. Stop. The counsel for the respondents, by way of affidavit, has produced the impugned order, the order which should have the substantial order, which is dated 8/1/2018. Stop. The same, for the sake of convenience, is also reproduced here and below. Next paragraph. Without adverting to the submissions rendered by the respective counsels, respective counsels, without adverting submission by the counsel, it is seen that by the screening, we've seen that the screening committee, in the screening that was conducted on the screening that was
9/11/2017.
no, let's see the date, which the screening that was 7. In the screening, in the screening committee report dated 9/11/2017, the case of the petitioner had been considered favorably. But however, by the order dated, last order, by the order dated 8/1/2018, the same had been summarily rejected. So, the letter dated 1/8/2018, it is noted, does not make any reference whatsoever to the report of the steering committee, and only has come to a cryptic finding that, within small inverted commas, there is an earning member in the family, close inverted commas, which is not as per the steering committee's report. Stop. Next paragraph. Without further going into any other aspect of the case, though much time has elapsed, in view of the cryptic and brief nature of the order, which is not taken into consideration the report of the committee, the respondents are directed to revisit the matter, taking the screening committee report into account and pass appropriate orders thereon within a period of 2 months.
3 months, Your Lordship.
3 months.
3 months.
From a date of the orders placed before them by the writ petitioner. Yes, petition accordingly and disposed of it. You see, it was order very cryptic. You should have mentioned it.
That is the headquarters of the Lordship, which highly obliged, Your Lordship.
27.
Your Lordship, I am
Start.
counsel for the petition.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
What's the case
in this-
about? Apuyana Jobenson, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is regarding the VRS matter. Your Lordship, we
Yes.
had received the affidavit filed by the state respondents just on Friday. On Friday, Your
correct?
Lordship.
Yes, sir. We have filed it on Friday.
Then why does the matter come for hearing then?
It's an additional affidavit. Lordship.
Okay, then you want to examine it.
Your Lordship, yes. Your Lordship, we're asking for 3 weeks' time, and if advised, Your Lordship, we will file our reply within the 3 weeks itself.
3 weeks time is too long. Yes, MSD of Maureen, counsel petitioner, submits that the additional affidavit bearing on record of instructions has just been received. He prays one allowed 2 weeks time to seek instructions as to whether rejoinder is necessary. 6 weeks time to file rejoinder if necessary. Yes, 2 weeks.
I'll oblige.
32.
Yes.
This is the case. What we are saying, my lord, they have challenged the appointment of the professor. Now he, in the meantime, resigned and it's gone
What
back to his-
instructions we have?
Yes, may I please, Your Lordship?
Lordship.
You would.
May I
Yes,
please,
put
Your
out
Lordship?
structure.
No, my lord. According to my understanding, the matter has not become infructuous, my lord.
Why?
Two factor where my learned senior has to apprise this honorable court, my lord. What has happened to the select list, my lord? The
No,
select list is definitely-
if this person is gone, then the new course of
Yes.
action.
No. Whether they will go for
How does
fresh
Dr. Akhandan
process-
want this? Akhandanand. Akhandanand.
Akhandanand Shukla.
Yes, my lord. If I can.
Let's see your prayer. Let's see your prayer. Yes.
My lord. Page 33, my lord.
Yes. Wash and set aside impugn selection process for the post of professor under the department, so which is conducted. Once set aside impugn appointments 1 to 6. Direct responsibility to constitute new selection committee. So you will appoint from the same select list now?
My lord, now, my lord, this was under challenge. Now he has resigned. Now, what is the law? I have placed 2 decisions, my lord.
Yes.
One regarding when the matter become infructuous, Supreme Court has categorically the practices. The matter should not be proceeded further. It become infructuous.
Where's the judgment?
Please, my lord, I have given the list of books.
Why?
And the second judgment, my lord, because here, my lord, he had challenged his appointment. Lordship. Now, before your lordship decided this matter, my lord, he has gone, matter became infructuous. Now, my lord, he has resigned from the post. What the Supreme Court said, if an incumbent resign from the post, then this will be treated as a fresh vacancy. Now, what has happened now? This is a fresh vacancy. Now, whether immediately we go for selection or not, my lord,
That's your call.
this court will not bind us.
That is, yes.
Both the decisions
That
are
is
there.
known. That is known.
My lord, here, an institution, a central university, my lord, when RTIs are filed, they don't give us information now. Now the the Nehu Council, they submit, my lord, before this honorable court, my lord, that this honorable court cannot bind them, my lord. But the process by which, my lord, they have selected this individual. My lord, may kindly produce the...
See, one thing, I'll tell you something. Mr. Day, if the discussion become academic, court not pronounce any orders.
This is the Supreme Court say, my
That's what
lord.
Supreme Court says.
Another
Now, if
fresh
we go
vacancy.
in the selection process, how the person selected, he's resigned, we're not going to go there. Why should we waste court's time to see whether it's, it
My
was
lord,
done
what
in a
is
proper
fallen from, my
manner?
lord, is very correct, my lord. Let them go for a fresh selection, my lord. Now, my lord, if...
Now we can't direct that also.
But this is a fresh vacancy. This judgment I have placed, your lordship.
They'll have to go for selection now.
Yes.
They'll have to go for
They
selection.
have to go for
What I am saying, your lordship.
Coming clean, my lord.
what my learned friend is saying,
Senior counsel,
that this
senior
court will
counsel
direct to go for a
submitted,
selection. Now, my lord, this is a fresh vacancy, my lord. Now, this is depend on the administrative, my lord, decision of the university. Now, so for this
how it
writ
can be,
petition, my lord,
Here, my lord,
this court cannot
my lord, may
direct.
kindly,
So take
my
down,
lord, may
yes.
kindly,
My
my lord, may kindly hear me, my lord.
No, Mr. D,
What is happening?
we will record that. Don't worry.
My lord, may
We'll record it. We'll record it.
That
Yes.
the composition of the selection committee, my lord, that itself was under challenge, my lord. Now, a person who has been placed in the selection committee, my lord, who was not an ST, in an ST category, if Mr. Sen,
These are not
senior
correct.
counsel, my lord, he is very,
If you
very
go for
sure
hearing,
about
I'll
it,
satisfy
that
you.
this lady was not
Okay,
placed as a
you come tomorrow.
My lord, my lord.
Yes. Okay, no, come day after. Yes, we'll hear you.
Day
We'll
after.
park. Yes. Let him be satisfied. Alan. Yes, thank you.
Obliged, Lordship.